Hi everyone. I want to talk you through what we are gonna be turning in before next class. So you got an email from me. It looked like this, and you're watching the video that's linked right here. Good job. Thank you for watching this video. First thing, I need you to join Edpuzzle as a class because as I talked to you guys today, I got some feedback and it was like, I wish I could pause part of the way through and then return and finish it later. And so I think that if we get you guys sorted into these classes, that you'll be able to do that. So we're gonna try this. So if you are in 6th period, that's before lunch, then you're gonna use this link. If you are in 7th period, which is the class after lunch, then you're gonna use that link. So if you're in this class before lunch, then you'll use the top link there. Let's grab that. Whole thing, that's fine. And let's see, that's Canvas. We're gonna come back to that in a moment. Okay. And it's gonna ask you to like sign up for it. And I'm gonna have you use your school Google. So continue, like use your Google account. And you'll use your Wash K-12 one. I'm gonna use my other one just so that you guys can see what this will look like on your end. Okay. And so then if you're in 6th period, it'd be like, yeah, gonna join that class. And then here's the video right there. This is the assignment, so then you'd hit topic 3.1, and then I believe you would be able to do this, watch this video, and then be able to pause and leave and return to that if you need to. Okay, and so you'll be able to log into Edpuzzle and be able to return to this assignment if you watched it part of the way through, instead of having to watch all of the video all the way through. Okay, so filling out our notes, watching that video. Awesome. The second thing I need you to do is to turn in your lab write-up for on your digital lab notebook. So you're going to go to Canvas, and when you log into our Canvas, it'll take you to the home page here. And the home page has lab notebook right there. And we used this before when we made a copy of the lab notebook. So you're going to click on this. And this is going to be my main copy of it. So you're going to go over to the Muller Bloom volume. Let me edit that. Muller volume of a gas, okay? And you're going to grab this and you're going to hit copy, and then you are going to add a page to your own lab notebook and paste it in there. Okay, so if you don't know how to access your lab notebook, then what you'll just do, go to your Google Mail, or really we're just headed to your drive, your Google Drive, right? So we're going to go to our Google Drive and search 2425 AP Chem Lab Notebook. Like, put in your name and your notebook should show up. Okay? So if I had like an older one, okay, like, oh, if your name's Peter, then that could be your lab notebook. Oh, look, Luke, there's yours. And so you can type that in and it will pull up your notebook. And then once you have your notebook pulled up, then you're going to add a page. Mine's already there, but you're going to add that page. You will paste this from before, and now you'll be able to take the pictures of your lab and be able to put them in here. Okay, so I want to see, please rename it for me as well down below to Muller volume of a gas. Okay, so you change that to Muller volume of a gas. And what I'm going to be looking for is, first, I just want you to add the picture that you took in the lab, right? Like insert picture, where was that? Insert, maybe it's because I have some highlighted. Image, and then do it over, insert image over cells, and then like you'd grab your picture from the lab and you would put that in there. And then there's other items that I want you to be adding in. See where it says data table right here? So in your lab, we filled out this data table. Please take a picture of this data table and add your picture in here. Okay, we'll space that out and add the picture. Okay. There was also 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, and that's going down here. And again, guys, please take pictures of each of these individual questions, right? Like, oh, I'd take that picture right there, and I'm going to insert it into my digital lab. And feel free to space these out so that you have room to add those pictures. But I want separate pictures for each of these. And then keep your conclusion 1, maybe 2 sentences, very simple. What did you conclude from your lab? It could have been your percent error. It could have been like how many, what the volume of hydrogen gas that you got, like some kind of concluding thought from that. And when we did this lab, we were able to retrieve this many milliliters of H2 gas, right? This is already shared with me. Your lab notebook is already shared with me. So once those pictures are added, it's done. Like it's already submitted, and I'll go in and I will be checking each of those. Okay. Alrighty, so again, just a reminder, first thing, sign up for the Edpuzzle class, and I think that will allow you to be able to return to the videos instead of having to watch them all the way through in one go. And then copy your page of the Digital Lab notebook and add your pictures in there. And that's what I need you to have done by next class. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know.